Welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful progress bar using Microsoft Excel. So at the end of the video, you'll be having something like this. That means when I edit here to 50, it is real time, it decreases. When I put 20, it goes to 20, the progress bar decreases. Same applies for 45, that's it. So here, these are half tasks, which are 8 tasks. So I'll show you at the end of the video how to assign the percentage goal in real time using Microsoft Excel. So I'll go to my progress bar. This is my data. So I'll show you. So let us guess our hands data. For instance, I'll put the numbers, maybe a 1, a 2, maybe a 5, a 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe 7.5. Then what you're required to do is select. I'll format them into percentage. This one here, percent style. Anyway, and I have to decrease now because the values are, I put 20, 50, yeah, okay, 6, 70, 80, 90, 75, for instance. So these are the percentage. I've formatted in percentage. So what you're required now to do is put those progress bars. So your first step is to select them again, then conditional formatting, then new rule. So setting a new rule. So by default, format all cells based on the values. So you have different options. I'll keep it this one. You should make sure that the format all cells based on the values is selected. Then on format style, now this is where you're supposed to be very careful. It is data bar. So it's like a progress bar, okay? So the minimum and maximum. So the numbers should be, the type should be numbers. That means the minimum should be 0 and the maximum should be 1. That means make sure you put the maximum should be number, then here put 1. That means the percentage from 0 to 1. 1 means 100, 0 means 0%. So the color, you can choose the color. Here, for instance, I'll go with the green. Then the solid fill or gradient. So you can, for better visualization, is go for the gradient fill. You can put the border and put the border color if you are interested. Then I'll just press OK. So your bingo, just like that. So that means when I change to 45, it goes. When I change to 90, it increases. Same applies when I put 0 here, bingo. When I put 25, it goes. When I put 65, it goes. When I put 45, it goes. So this is it. So this is a way of doing it. So I hope I'm understood. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this in Excel. Thank you a lot.